Hello everybody, my name is Sergey and welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. And today I've got a brand new game and it's called Epic Plants vs Zombies style battle game in PowerPoint. And now let's jump into the game.
The zombies are coming.
So first, let me tell you how to play this game and then later I will explain how to modify the questions. Alright, so starting this game, first you need to decide how many players or how many teams you have in your classroom. Then you can select players by clicking on this icon to add a player or on an X to remove the player. So if you press on adding a player, it will add like this, and if you remove the player, you will remove it like this. So let's say that you have 4 players or 4 teams in your classroom. So let's add all the players. So now we've got 4 zombies, 4 players down, 4 spinners for each player. Each spinner has battle effects. And let me explain what they mean. Let's press on this lightning right here. So 1 green pea equals to 1 shot, and this double shot, 2 green peas. Also have a sun boost to get a sun, plus 1 sun to you. Zombie strike, minus 1 sun. Also question mark, go to the question slide, and waste spin means nothing happens, and also spin again. Let's press back. First you need to decide on the order of the players, and then the players need to spin the spinner. And to win the game you need to eliminate the zombie on your side. Zombies have 4 lives and players only have 3 lives. Players spin the spinner like this. If they're gonna get a zombie, you press on a zombie. Zombie will have an attack, and then you need to press on a minus red circle right here next to your sun. All players only have 3 suns altogether. You press on this circle to remove the sun. And then next player spin the spinner. If you're gonna get a question, you press on this question mark. You're gonna get to this question slide. You choose any of the question marks. Let's choose this one. Then you press on a question. You answer a question. You press on a question. Okay, so you're gonna get this battle effect. Also, you can press on a question one more time to hide. If, for example, you don't know what it means, so you can still press on this lightning right here, and you're gonna see zombie strikes minus 1 sun. So now you're gonna go back and press on the zombie and remove the sun. Next player, they have nothing, and the next player, they need to shoot on a pea shooter. So you press on this shoot button. All right, and so on. Players playing like this. So player 1 is a winner. You press on this sunflower. So, and you're gonna get to this winner's slide. So now we know how a player can win in a game, and let me show you what happens when a player loses all the suns. Okay, and this is game over for the player 2. Player 2 cannot do anything here. This game actually can be part of a series. For now, I only have these normal zombies and pea shooters, but later I actually can add more different kinds of zombies and different kind of shooters, maybe some power attacks and so on. So stay tuned for more Plants vs. Zombie games. Now let me tell you how to modify the questions. So all the questions are on this slide, and you select the question box and then press on the shape format and then selection pane. And now you can see this is question 20, and that means answer is A20. Press on question box, modify the question, then you hide this question box, and then you press on the next question, and then you modify it and then hide, and then later you can just press on the show all the images on the slide and save the PowerPoint, and that's it. And also let me tell you how to mix these question marks right here with all the battle effects. You just select everything and move to a different slot. So for example, you select everything here, move to number 1 here slot, and move this right here. Alright guys, if you like this video and the game, give a like, subscribe and share for more free PowerPoint games for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.